Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum fam. Trust you are doing good today. You're welcome to another session with Cook with HHM. Today, inshallah, we're going to be doing something so quick, super quick, very delicious, healthy, and don't worry, let's start first. We're going to be making a drink. It comes together in no time. We shall be using just 2 ingredients for this drink. It's 100% natural drink. It's very nutritious and so yummy, so tasty. You are going to love it. You know, I actually came to know about this drink back in my university days. I heard that the Sahabas, the companions of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they used to have this drink during the Ramadan period, especially. So I fell in love with it. So we shall be needing just 2 ingredients, like I said. We shall be needing milk. I have my powdered milk here. That's what I usually use back in the days. You know, in the uni days, most of us might not have access to liquid milk all of the time, just once in a while. But we always have the powdered milk handy. So you can use either powdered milk or liquid milk, evaporated milk. Any milk of your choice would do. You can also use fresh milk. Since then, during the time of the companions, they don't have this powdered milk, nor do they have the evaporated milk. So you can use any milk that you love. Then we also have date fruits, debino in Hausa. Yeah, I've washed my dates and I've also broken them. I normally do this because if you're not buying the ones that are packed, you might find you might find the normal ones having dirt inside. So I do open it and wash it. So I've washed them here. The next thing to do is to bring your dates and chop them. Chop your dates into tiny bits. So I'm done chopping my dates. As you can see, you can chop them either tinier than this, or you can leave them to be a bit bigger depending on how the chunk sizes you want, but this size is enough for me. By the way, I use 10 pieces of dates, so you can use more or less. And the tablespoon of milk I have here is about 3 tablespoons of milk, depending on the consistency of the milk, of your milk, how you prefer your milk to be. If you want it to be thick or you want it to be a lighter milk mixture, especially if you are going to reconstitute your powdered milk, that will determine the amount of water you use. If you also want it to have plenty dates, you use plenty dates. If you also wish to have a lesser amount of dates, you use a lesser amount of date. It all depends on your preference. There's no actual measurement to this. So let's move now straight to the next step. So I have my warm water here. This is the amount I'm going to be using. So I'll go ahead now, add in my powdered milk, stir before adding my date. The next step now is to add in my dates, my chopped date, to finish it up. Just give it a gentle stir. To enjoy a more sweetened milk, you can allow this mixture to stand for a while before drinking it, because the longer it stays, the more the sweetness of the dates will get released into the milk. So you would have a very creamy and date flavored, date sweetened milk. I would recommend you allow it to stand for a while. And here you have your healthy, nutritious milk and date drink. No need to add any additional sweetener because the date dabino is enough a sweetener. So you can enjoy this in the morning, during the day, or at night. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next week. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah. If you've always dreaded having coffee because of caffeine, worry no more, because in the next video we shall be learning how to make coffee without caffeine. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out once the video is up.